Today I am going to discuss two-wire distribution system. Okay, yesterday also we discussed the classification of distribution system of DC, and today we see the two-wire distribution of DC. Okay, also we also see in AC distribution system there are also the two wireless, mean one phase and one phase and one neutral are present in two-wire single wire two phase distribution. Okay, in case in two-wire distribution system we see that one phase and one neutral, one phase positive wire and one neutral. Okay, in case in DC system, so suppose this one is the substation. Okay, this one is the substation and here the two wire. Okay, here the two wire. This suppose this one is going to the load center. Okay, this one is the going to the load center, different load. Okay, वन फेज हेयर एंड वन न्यूट्रल हेयर. ओके, ये दोनों मिलके एक ही लोड में जा रहा है. दिस टू आर मीटिंग और फीडिंग अनदर लोड. दिस टू आर फीडिंग अनदर लोड. ओके, सपोज दिस साइड आर गोइंग टू ए एरिया. ओके, एरिया A. Okay, this side is feeding the power of area A. This side is going to cover power for area B. Suppose this is cover area B. Okay, from this is going to service cable. Okay, this is the service cable. One phase and one positive wire and one neutral. Okay, this is suppose this is going to service area B. Okay, ये बी की तरह जा रहा है और ये ए की तरह, और यहाँ पे भी और एक साइड के लिए भी लोड जा सकता है. इससे हम लोग टैपिंग करके पावर सप्लाई लेता है. इससे हम लोग टैपिंग करके पावर सप्लाई लेता है. दिस इज द टू-वायर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम. वन ऑफ द अनदर प्रोसेस ऑफ टू-वायर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम इज हियर. सपोज this one is one cable and this one is one cable. Suppose F1 F2, this one is positive, this one is negative. Okay, so we can directly connected the load by here or here positive, here negative, here positive, here negative. Okay, we can directly connected this type of arrangement we can do it. Okay, but the efficiency of this system is very poor. Okay, so basically we use the two-wire distribution system is in this process. This is the most efficiency process. Okay, this is not. So next we see that the type of distributor. That's mean here we see that the classification of distribution system. Okay, but we see that the type of distributor. That's mean how do we distribute this power here. Okay, this power here. Okay, this power here. How do we connected the load in this feeding line or in this service line. Okay, how do we connect the load? So type of distributor. Basically type of distributor are four type. One is distributor fed at the one end. Okay, distributor fed at one end. Okay, one end distributor. Second one is distributor fed at both end. Okay, both both end distributor fed. Distributor means this type of load are called distributor. Okay, distributor fed at center. Okay, distributor fed at center, and another is ring main distributor. Okay, ring main. So we see that one end distributor. ओके, वन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर आज हम देखेंगे वन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर कैसे होता है. ओके, सॉरी, हम बोलते हैं कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर मीन्स द लोड आर कनेक्टेड वायर, बट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर मीन हेयर सपोज दिस इज द लाइन. ओके, दिस थ्री आर गोइंग टू लोड, so where the power supply is giving, okay, this called distributor. Okay, we take one example. First of all we see that the distributor fed at one end. Okay, suppose this is the line, here the load connected, here also with the load connected. Okay, here load, here also the load. If the power supply is giving one side, suppose that's mean here the power supply. Okay, this is the power supply coming from substation. Okay, substation. So the distributor fed it one end of this circuit. Okay, we see that of this circuit we also see that one side the power supply is giving, so this is called distributor fed at one side. Okay, one end or one side, this is the one side. Both end means suppose this is the going to load, suppose this type of, this is the going to load. Okay, this type of, here both are going to load. Okay, when the distributor connected both side. Okay, here the power supply is giving, here the power supply also giving. Okay, so this is cover from here to here. Okay, this is cover here to here. Okay, this is called both end. Or center means when the supply is giving here. Okay, here or here. Okay, here or here, this is the center of this distributor line. Okay, this is called center, distributor feeder center. Okay, the one type of distributor is ring main distributor. Ring main distributor means suppose this one is like here and here. This is going to load, this is load, this is load, this is load, this one also with the load, this one also with the load. Okay, this is the system. If this one is the supply feeder, okay, then it's called, it's look like a ring or center feed. Okay, ring main or center feed at one end. Okay, this is the, suppose if we cut it one end, if we cut it, then we one end and cut it. If we see that this like a this system type of, because if it cover it, then it's cover a or a look like a ring. Okay, so this is the ring main fed at one end distributor. Okay,